ReadSocial is a service that allows you to add social features to your content, whether it's in an iPad app or on the web. It does two specific things. It allows you to form groups, and then it allows those groups to share comments across reading systems at the paragraph level. So here's an iPad app. It could be any iPad app. All they did was go and grab our open-sourced UI library, and you can see there are a number of comments on the different paragraphs, mainly because this is our testing app, but I can open that and see how many comments are on that specific paragraph, and you'll see some of them have images. So there's an image and some responses to it. I can actually add a text comment if I'm adding a response, or I can add, let me show you what it looks like to make a comment. You'll see I just clicked ReadSocial. I can add a text comment, I can add a link, or I can add an image. And what's interesting about this is we didn't take this content. All we're doing is keeping track of where the comments have been made. Let me show it to you on the web. So this is the ReadSocial website, and if you're a content owner, this is where you would go to get the API itself. But I can also, this should look familiar. It's the same piece of text and has the same number of comments down the right-hand side. Let me make a comment by highlighting this paragraph. You'll see this pops up, and these are all the comments that are currently on this paragraph. I can go and view details on any one of them and respond, or I can add my own. Here again you'll see an image, a link, or a piece of text. One of the other interesting things about this is that right now I'm reading with this particular group, Partner Testing Channel, but I can change that to be, here's another group I have, Travis Group, and you'll notice if you pull back out that now there are different numbers of comments attached to the paragraphs because now I've switched the group I'm reading with. So I can read the same piece of content with all kinds of different groups, and the groups are actually hashtags, so we're looking at the interest graph, not so much the social graph. So it's more about if you want to be part of the biology group, or you could be part of Mrs. Brown's second grade class group. There are a number of different types of group you can have with a system like this. So this is the web client, and I've already shown you the iPad client. Both of those are open sourced, so once you sign up for the service at ReadSocial API, you can just go ahead and integrate the code and get started. Here I've been signing in with Twitter, so we're using OAuth. Check it out at readsocial.net.